Okay, so I'm unboxing the HomeBase S380 Eufy for I bought a new camera, the Eufy S340. That's it's a solar power paneled powered camera, and I was using it to I'm going to use it to replace the earlier version, which was the battery version. Looks like that's the HomeBase. Not sure what that is. That's probably the power supply. It's smaller than the other HomeBase that I had, and obviously it doesn't require a monthly subscription fee. And there are actually two options by which you can connect the camera. You can either wirelessly connect it directly to your router, or you can connect it to the HomeBase. And I suspect the HomeBase requires a sync with the camera. So that's the HomeBase. What does it say? Wonder if that's just heat dissipation or what that is. This is some kind of a cover. And looks like there's a hard drive slot. I wonder what this is. I think you can connect an external hard drive or an SSD or something, maybe. Not sure. And it's got two USB ports. It's got an Ethernet port, so you can connect it. You can connect this to your router directly using a wired port, which will be better. And then the power supply. Okay, so it looks like this might need an external hard drive. And then this just covers the top, I think. And this box, let's see what it comes with. It's the Ethernet cable. So I'm going to directly connect this wired fashion to my Ethernet cable router, and this is probably the power supply. Yep. And this is probably used some screws. I think it provides. Not sure what these are used for. That's a sticker, I think. No, that's just some kind of and that's the quick start manual.